Once upon a time, there was a king named Shaman in the vast and beautiful kingdom of Aitva. He was a great problem solver and a thinker. He had a beautiful palace and a big family. His kingdom was very content and made rapid progress. He encouraged his citizens to be thinkers and solve problems. One day, in one of the villages in his kingdom, a villager observed a bird sitting on the branch for a few days, not flying, not eating, and not doing any of its routine activities. The villager tried all he could to help the bird by feeding it with water and grains, but to no avail. The bird just did not move an inch. This unique problem spread like wildfire in the village. A competition was announced in the village to get the bird back to its routine. The prize was a big piece of land. This enticed a lot of villagers. Participants used various techniques like lighting fire, blowing wind, shaking the tree, and even getting an elephant to show off the bird. The villagers used their problem-solving mindset, but the bird just did not react to anything. It was sitting tightly and seemed adamant to all of them. Sad and worried villagers left. Days passed, but the bird did not move. It started to become weak physically and would die if no action was taken. The village head, very worried, traveled to the capital. He narrated the entire incident to the king. Being a true problem solver, King went to the village along with his entourage to solve the unique and weird problem. King and his aides tried all the techniques, but surprisingly, the bird just did not move. Seeing the failure, King was disappointed. He decided to not eat a single morsel of food until this is resolved. Just like the villagers, he also announced a grand reward to solve this problem. Scores of scholars participated and all of them failed. The king was dejected and decided to leave it to the bird's fate. When he was about to depart for his capital, an old beggar approached him. He asked, "My king, I am not a scholar, but I too deserve a chance." King was not ready for another failure. King said, "Dear, many well-educated scholars failed, then how can you succeed?" He gave a quick thought and decided to give it a final try before leaving it to the bird's fate. The beggar knew the exact emotion of the bird. He asked the king for an axe. The beggar started chopping the branch on which the bird was sitting. To everybody's surprise, the bird started to move a bit. The beggar, before cutting the branch completely, told the bird, "Hey bird, I know you are very attached to the branch and cannot live without it. Holding on to something so much that you die inside is not what you deserve. This is not the only thing you know. There are so many beautiful things waiting for you, but this attachment has completely blinded you. Learn to detach and have the courage to let go of something you are very attached to. You are harming yourself and making your loved one's life sad." The bird understood the beggar's message and thanked him. It started flying the moment the branch was chopped completely. Just accept and let go to reduce suffering and lead a beautiful life. In life, were you ever too attached to a person, animal, or object? Did it hurt you when you were getting detached? Did it make you lose interest in your daily activities or life itself? Did you ever feel, what if I just let it go? Were you ever that bird in your life for some time? Did you ever get disturbed emotionally like the bird? What was that branch in your life? Was it even worth it? In the end, over-attachment will lead you to mental trauma. Not being mentally strong and stable may lead to a host of mental issues, including depression. Why do some people you know manage tough situations so well? Please realize that emotional stability is key to a happy life. After realization, you will never ever push yourself into the trap of over-attachment. I just want all of you to positively change your mindset and perception. This will definitely change your life, and trust me, it's not difficult. Please comment below if you have ever felt like the bird. Till I meet you next time, I'm sure you will change perception, change life. If you have liked my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to get all the latest videos.